Hey, Broughton here. Hope you guys are doing well, having fun and staying safe. So I know what you guys might be thinking. Why does he have a bottle full of rice and 2 cans of baked beans? No, I'm not about to eat them. These are my music instruments. So if you haven't made a percussion instrument yet, here's a few ideas you guys can use to make your own. So all you do is find an old bottle and put some rice in it. Close the lid. A shaker, or another idea you guys can use is use tin cans. Right, these ones are full. I haven't eaten them yet, but that's okay. Now if you don't have drumsticks, guys, just use wooden spoons or sticks found on the ground that look like a drumstick, and there you go. These are drums. So if you haven't made one yet, do this and then come back and we'll get into it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Now next we're going to learn how to do doubles. Now if you remember how to do this, play along with me and see if you can match my speed. Here's a challenge for you guys. Start speeding up. Speed up. Speed up. Awesome. So we learned something called paradiddles. So that's right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. Right? So we're going to play that for 4 beats. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So we're going to go back to where we left off at, and we're going to learn some beats. So if you have your book, that's awesome. Turn to week 4. We'll have a look at week 4 at the homework page. Right? There's some beats where I got you guys to either stomp or clap. This time we're going to use our instruments. So you can use your shaker, rest, or your drums. 1, 2, 3, rest. Rest. Alright? So turn to your week 4 page, the homework page, and we'll go through the top line. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. So remember, on the quarter notes, you play 1 beat. On the rest, you don't play anything. So when you see a rest, don't play on your drum or don't shake a shaker, and just go through and practice all 4 of those lines. Alright, the last thing we're going to do now is play along to a song. So I'm sure you guys already know this, it's Uptown Funk. So try stay in time with it and just get creative. Doubles, singles, or shakers. Alright, so you guys can use that song or a bunch of songs that you guys can use. Just play around and have some fun. Hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you next time. See you later, guys.